In this video, I am going to show you how you can mirror your mobile screen to the any Windows operating system. So for that, first you go to your mobile screen. So in your mobile screen, go to settings and you have to on the developer mode. So I will just tell you how you can on it because my developer mode was already on. So I have also made another video on how to on the developer mode. So go to the settings and you have to enable the developer mode. So in about phones, you go to software information and here in build number you have to click until the developer mode is on. So you can see here like developer mode is enabled and you have to enter the password also. So your developer mode has been enabled. So my developer mode is enabled. So I will go to the developer option and I will go to the USB debugging. So you have to enable, you can see here, this is USB debugging. So you have to enable it and you have to click OK. So I have also made a video on like how to enable developer option. So you can watch that video, that is separate video. So now you come to the desktop. So in Windows, you have to first like download the Android platform tools. So I'll just open Google. So you have to download two files. So here you will have to search Android platform tools. Android platform tools. So you can see here Android platform tools downloads. So you just click here and the first link Android developer.android.com tools release. So first link you click here and it will open the SDK platform tool release notes. So here you download this SDK platform tools for Windows. So I will download this and you have to click I agree and downloads. So and I will click download folder and I will save it. So my platform tools is getting downloaded. So you have to download one more file, screen copy. I'll open Google again. So here you search screen copy, scrcpy. Scrcpy you just have to search and you click here. You can click download from any of the link. I will download from this scrcpy.net. So I will click here scrcpy.net. So you can see here it has opened the page and I will download it for Windows. So I just click downloads here, download now. I'll close that and here you can see here it is showing scrcpy download for Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. So as my laptop is 64-bit, so I will select download. So and I will download folder I will select and I will save it. So you can see here in my downloads I got these two files, platform tools and this scrcpy. So I will just go to this download folder. I will open this. So in my download folder, so I open the download folder. So you can see here this platform tools and scrcpy is there, these two files. So I will extract this both files. So I will extract here, extract all. I will extract at this location only and I will close this and I will extract that scrcpy file also. Extract all, extract here. So I have selected the same. You can see here this two is the zip file and this is the extracted file. So in platform tools you just open this platform tools latest for Windows. So I will click here. So you can see here there is one platform tools folder and inside that there is a file. So I will go back. So this platform tools, you can see here platform tools. I will copy this folder to my C drive. So in C drive I will just paste this, paste. I'll come to C drive again and you can see here this platform tools is there and inside this there are files. So I have to copy this path. So I'll just copy. You can see here above C colon slash platform tools. So I will copy this and I have to add this in environment variable. So I'll open environment variable. So in user variable and system variable both place you have to add. So you click here, you click edit and here you paste. So I have already pasted. You can see here there is already platform tool is there. So I'll just delete one and you click OK after adding. So here also in system variables, so I'll just open the system variable path. So you can see here path and I will go edit. So here also I already have, you just have to add it like this and you click OK. So I will remove this because I already have it. So I will click OK, and then you, after adding, you click OK, then apply, then OK. So now you have added it. So for you have to restart your system. So you, after adding the environment variable, so restart. So I have already added it, so I don't have to restart. So you just restart your PC after adding the environment variable, restart. So after restarting your system, you open the terminal and you just verify this command. I will clear the screen. You verify that platform tools after adding into the environment variables. So it will, you can use the adb command, adb minus minus version. So you check this. So you can see here adb is installed. So after adding platform tools only, that adb command will work. Before it was not working for me. So now you have to, I will clear this screen. So now you have to connect your mobile device to your PC. So now you can see here this PC only, that device is not connected. So I will connect my device to the USB through USB. So you can see here I have connected it, and there is one internal storage is coming. This F13 phone is there. Samsung F13 I have connected. So I'll just close this, and you can see here my phone is connected now. So in your phone, after connecting this your phone, so now you have to open that download folder. So you open that download folder, and that screen copy you have downloaded, in that extracted file, open that file, and inside that also there is one screen copy Windows 64. So I will open this also. So here you can see there are a lot of files, but here you have to click on scrcpy.exe. so you can see my phone screen, and here I will click this scrcpy.exe. So you can see here it is executing some command. So now you can see my mobile screen has come, like I started the screen mirroring. And it is not only just mirror, you can also control it, like you can open, like from like cursor only mouse you can control this phone. So you can open anything by clicking this. So like this, you see I can control it from my laptop only, the mobile screen, and screen mirror is happening. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.